Today we're back on the premier Poinsettia lights. So last time you saw these, we got them going, had a bit of a look around on them, and they need some work. They're a little bit faded, but they're not unusable. But the biggest problem we had was all the elastic bands that hold the shades on are knackered. So we need a solution. So this one still has its elastic band intact and it is holding it, but you can see it's just gone. So we'll take that off. What we'll do, we'll go to our very end bulb, our fuse bulb. You get two of these sets of petals that go on and they overlap each other. So we put them on there. Then you get a shade, push on like that, and then they slide up and over onto the collar of the shade. These shades are not very good. They push on, so that's that like that. Originally on the foil flower lights that we did link up here, I actually got new elastic bands and I fixed all those lights. I fixed those foil flower lights. Would have been 2015, 2016. But the elastic bands are completely degraded and snapped off already, so they didn't even last 10 years. So we need a new solution. So we will try these mini cable ties or zip ties. These are 100mm by 2.5mm. There's 100 of them. You might be able to get smaller again. I've had these for a long time. These were from eBay many years ago. You can get them, as you can see, in a multitude of colours, and I think that these green ones would be ideal to do the foil flower lights and pom-pom lights with them having green bases. Hence why I've bought some more to do them at a later date. I've got 100 of them, so I can do several sets. So we've got our fabric overlapped. I will start the zip tie off a little bit, get it in position so we get a good grip on the fabric. Okay, they're not going anywhere. I'm going to use our little side cutters. And that's them. They don't look too unsightly, but what we'll do, we will try a red one and a clear one. See what they look like. So we've got this bulb here. It's got our, well, this one's still got a band on it. So you come away. It's got our petals overlapping each other correctly. Get it started. I don't think we even need to try the clear ones because that's obviously a winner. They're not going anywhere. So there's the black one and there's the red one. And there's not much, if I can find another plastic band. They actually don't look that much dissimilar. Yeah, you get the little extra bit of plastic here, but I think we can live with that. So that's the solution we're going to do. First things first, we need to disassemble these lights into their component parts. So we'll do that now. So we've got all of our petals off. We've got all our shades off. Now there are a couple that were completely knackered, and then there's a couple, if I can find them, they've all blended in now. There's a couple that are missing just one tooth off the shades. Can't even, oh, there's one. So they're just missing the one tooth. I can live with that. But there are a couple that are completely knackered. And we've also got our lights. And look how boring they are without any shades on. They're just a boring set of 40 lights. Got some spare bulbs that we need to fit, but we're going to give them a tickle with some paint first. I'm not going to take the bulbs out because the bulbs are absolute pain in the behind to get out, and then we'll start assembling our shades. I only have, let's have a look, got about a dozen of these red zip ties. I'm going to go on eBay and buy some more. I found some for 99p. If anybody has a set of Poinsettia lights, I will leave a link in the description below. I've got 100 for 99p posted, which is crazy. They must have mislisted it, but I'll put a link in the description below if you need to fix your Poinsettia lights. I am not the seller, I'm not affiliated with the seller. Again, I just buy what I need when I need it. So let's get started. This is all the remnants and leftovers from us stripping everything down. Look at all this garbage. You can see those bands are completely gone. Useless. There we go. There's 10 shades done. Only another 29 to do. If you remember, I did the fuse bulb with a black one, where I've used up my current supply of red cable ties, so that'll be for the shades for now. Right, that's all the bulbs painted. If you want to know how I paint the bulbs, there's a link up here. Did a little special last Christmas for you, how we restore the bulbs. Now, unlike in that video, these bulbs didn't have the paint scraped off because there was no need to. The paint wasn't too bad, it was just very faded. But they're all refurbished now, and there you go. May not look it on camera, but these are just a brilliant vivid red now, very dark. Yep, and they're all sorted. So we'll get our shades put back on. And there we go, our nicely restored Poinsettia lights. I hope this guide is helpful for anybody with these lights, or pom-pom lights, or foil flower lights. We will do videos on those too, showing how we fix those lights. They look much better than what they started out as. As you can see, they were a mess in the previous video, but we've tidied them up. Yes, we've still got to do the rest of the lights and the shades, but I'm waiting on more cable ties because I've used up all my red ones. But there you go, how to restore Poinsettia lights and or foil flower lights and pom-pom lights. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.